Hi, so in this video I'm going to show you how to get opportunities as a content writer in Web3 through this way. The way to do this is to get it through DAO Bounties. DAO Bounties is the Web3 version of the freelance platform that we have in Web2, which are Fiverr and Upwork. And in this scenario now, instead of a project employing someone full-time to be on their team, they could just easily get someone to fix something for them. Maybe they don't need someone full-time, they don't need someone full-time, but they need something to be fixed immediately. So they can set up a bounty, and if the person is a great fit, the person can do the job and then get paid. So it's always a one-time offer. And one way to get these bounties is to join the Discord groups, Discord channels of different DAO communities, DAO projects. And then, but another way to do this also is to come to this app.dework.xyz. And when you open this app, you need a VPN to access it. If you're in Nigeria, you will see an option to connect wallet, connect at the top of your phone. If you're using your phone, you can use VPN on your phone. If you're using a desktop, you can use VPN on your desktop. And then you see connect. The most preferred option actually is Discord. Discord is the most preferred option. It's not showing here because I had already connected. You will see other options to connect with MetaMask and to connect with Wallet Connect. So you will see that Discord has recommended on it, so you choose Discord. Now look at these are top DAOs. DAO means decentralized autonomous organization, open grants, and open bounties. So now in Upwork and Freelance, you have to create an account and all those yada process. But this time around, you just need either your wallet or you need Discord, or free Discord is preferred option. So let's say now I'm going for writing. Now these are all the open bounties for writing. It means these people they're looking for someone who's going to write YouTube tutorials for them on how to buy PDI, and they will pay the person in 55 USDC. That's $55. Now this is another group. They're looking for someone who create article for their multi-farm dashboard, and they'll pay the person $200 in PDT. PDT should be the token, their native token. And this is another project. 17 days ago, it said someone create how to for getting funds on their platform on Optimism. So they pay the person 69 pool, which is equivalent to $104. So now this are featured. I think featured means that so they have their bounty in a token listed on CoinMarketCap, so that dollar value can be known, have a clear description, and the workspace is connected to Discord, so you can easily talk with the applicant. So that's why it's featured. Now these are the ones that are open to bid. This was posted here, so you can open to bid on them. What is layer 2 in crypto? So you can write this is $150. See, this is amazing. So you have to seize this opportunity. This is a $60 in ads. This is a Twitter thread series for the DAO update. They're willing to pay $80 in ads for this and all of that. So it's time to utilize this massive opportunity. So this is your profile. This is your profile area. So I did one before, but I was paid directly by the project. So, and it was done. It was marked done. So, but you need to update like your profile and all of that. Proof of work. So this is like a typical example of what Web3 is going to look like, So it's your task feed. It's an open task from DAOs you follow based on your skills, your inbox, your task board. So you have all this, and then your bookmarks, your profile, and you can So it's connected with connecting account is with my Discord. So I can connect my wallet, my MetaMask wallet, or my Phantom wallet. If I'm connecting my MetaMask wallet now, so I can choose any of those to connect with. So they can pay me directly to my wallet. So now I've connected my wallet now. They can pay me directly to my wallet. This is Phantom. Phantom is a wallet built on Solana. So let's connect with GitHub too. GitHub is for if you're a technical writer or if you're a developer, you can create and you have your project on GitHub. So you want them to easily see what you've done in the past, so you can connect with GitHub. So this is a typical example. You can maximize this opportunity, and when you start using this opportunity, I want you to come right back here and drop your comments, share your experience with this platform. There are tons of others, so I'll be doing further research on where you can get DAO bounties and participate. Remember, this is Web3, and Web3 presents massive opportunities to creators. Of course, Web3 still have one or two scaling issues to solve, but you know how the internet started, and you know how the Web2 started with all our mobile apps and Facebook and all of that, social media platforms and all, and it has been from one scaling point to the other. So we expect even much more scaling to come to Web3, and much more opportunities to come to creators, content creators like you and I. So I hope you like this video. Don't forget to leave a comment, ask your questions, and if you're interested in learning more on how to get jobs in the crypto space, why don't you visit our website at www.valucop.global.com. That is www.valucopglobal.com. So don't miss it, and you can drop a comment and I will send you a link to talk to me. We have paid courses that is backed by free mentorship. We handhold you through this process, and then you get exactly the value that you pay for. So it will help you to 10x your income by leveraging what you know or what you can learn from us. So see you very soon. Thank you.